My friends who consider themselves to be a ginger pride themselves on being a bit on the spicy side. While the prickly ginger cocktail does contain some spicy ingredients, the flavors balance for a refreshing experience. Let's mix it up. We're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of mezcal. Add 1 ounce of ginger liqueur and 1/2 ounce of prickly pear syrup and juice from half a lime. Fill your shaker with ice and shake it until it's chilled. Then strain it over an ice sphere. The prickly ginger cocktail is a fun drink to make, and the combination of flavors will surprise and captivate your discerning palate. The prickly ginger cocktail is Queen Bee approved.